Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, you stopped by this channel because you want to learn how to make a banner for your channel. Yes, YouTube does, you need to have a banner. Banner is all about branding and all about marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you to the best of my ability how to make a YouTube banner. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. If you have need some help doing it, I will show you how to do it. So it's going to be step by step. It's not going to be complicated. It can be a little confusing because the way the two-step is with the making the banner, but it's so important to grow your channel. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Let's learn how to make a banner. So you stopped by my channel to find out how to make a YouTube banner. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real simple, real easy. This is all about branding. So once you get going with your channel and you start making videos and you want to make a banner for your channel. So a banner is this top part here that you see here where it says subscribe, and you see a little social media icons over here. You can see this is a little click button for the subscribe, but this is their header basically, or your top of your channel. This is called a channel banner. So to make a channel banner, usually I would use Photoshop elements is what I use to make that. And so how it works, and let's take a look at it together. So it's really simple. So what you want to do is just click on customize your channel. Once you're logged into your channel, you're going to hit customize your channel. That's the first thing you have to do. Okay, so once you've been customize your channel, it says branding. So you want to click on branding. Okay, so now you see a thing over here. It says this is to make the small image of your channel, and I'll show you that here. So you can see here this little logo here. That's my little logo, and that's round. You can see it's very small, but we're working on the banner image. So banner image, what is it? How does it work? So let's take a look at it here some more. Let's look at this together. So banner sizes. Okay, so you want to know banner images. Okay, so banner images. So here we go. So maximum dimension you can see here is 2048 by 1152. That's the largest size. You need to use both of these sizes, which is the 16 by 9, and then a minimum size of 1235 by 338. That's the smallest size. That's the one that goes on your phone. That's a small tablet size. That's really important. So you have two different sizes here. You got the 2048 by 1152 and the 1235 by 338. So there's two different sizes you're going to be working with to make this one big banner. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Let's get to it. So here's a YouTube. So I made one that says YouTube test. Okay, so you can take that, I'll open that up and you can see here. So what is it showing you here? Okay, so what this does, and I'm going to explain to you, the smaller dimension is right inside here. So this is viewable on all devices, like your iPad, your iPhone, the Androids, that's what that's for. Viewable on your desktop. See how it gives you different options here? So that means your computer. And then if it's on a TV, you have the whole image will show here. Okay, so that's what it's kind of telling you when it gives you two different sizes. Okay, so the idea behind this is that you have to make a big banner and then a small banner within the big banner. Then you can get everything all customized. I know it sounds confusing, but it's really not. So let's take a look here. So I made one here so you can see here. I'll open this up here so you can see here. So this is the largest size, right? That big size, and then inside the big size is the small size. So the small size is pretty much viewable on your phone, your tablet. That's what the small size is for. The little bit bigger size is for the desktop, and the whole thing if someone's watching it, let's say on their TV. So that's why they give you all those options for dimensions. So that's where it gets a little confusing for people, but that's how it works. So let's remember that. So you want to go in there. Let's look at again. So we'll look at the dimensions one more time. It's once you learn it, I want you to understand that it's pretty simple. So it's telling you here banner image, the guideline. So you see here again two different sizes, right? 1248 by 1152 and then 1235 by 338. So minimum size and the maximum size. So it's giving you those two dimensions, but gives you that whole look of everything. Okay. So what you have to do is open up your program, and let's just say I'm opening up Photoshop. Let's do that together. I know it sounds confusing, but this is what's very important to grow your channel. You need to learn how to make banners, and this is just part of it, okay? So you just have to bear with it, grin and bear it. It's just a learning process, and that's just how it works. So we're going to work on the small one first, so 1235 by 338. So let's do that one first, which I already have, 1235 by 338, and we will open that. So here it is. So you can see that's the small banner, right? That's the small banner. So that's the one that goes on your phone. That's the one that you can see, and you can put any image in here. So you can start creating images. You can drag and drop images in there. You can do whatever you want within this part here. So let's say you want to add a thumbs up. So let's drag and drop a thumbs up on here. I want to put it right here in my little banner, and boom. So that's going to be right inside the banner. You can see, you can size that, you can play with that. You can put a title in here, and that's just a way to just start, just start building your banner. This is how you do it. So the next thing is you need to build the second size. Okay, so you need to have the next size up. That's important. So let's go back over here. And so the next size up is 2048 by 1152. 2048. 1152, and again, pixels, you can see that, right? Boom. So now we have a large one. So you won't see the white on white, so I'll make that black. That way you can just get the definition. Then I'll take the white one here, like this, and I'll drag it on top of the black, and boom, now you can see this is the small one, this is the large one. So this banner is totally perfect now to go on YouTube. You can put all your stuff right in the middle here, okay? Type whatever you want here. You can even put things outside the lines here, and you got to kind of play with it. So you got to keep publishing it and play with it. And this is the best way to do it. This is the easiest way to do it. So once you get done doing that, upload it to your page. That's your banner, and you can put anything you want here. You can put subscribe buttons. You can just play with it all you want. Just keep going with it. So here's the banner here. I want to put a subscribe button. Here it is. Whoop. Gonna make it so you can see it. Here it is. I can put a subscribe button there if I want to. So you can really create. So this also, everything in the white is pretty much for the phone and tablets. Don't forget, everything outside that here is for computer, left and right of that. And then the whole screen is pretty much for like a TV. So that's it. I don't want to make it too complicated. Just take a look at the links, take a look at how to build it. Really, really easy. It's not complicated, but it's so important to have that done. That way you can see how important it is to have your branding right on top of here. Then you can add arrows to it. You can customize. You can see it's not always perfect because it does move with your browser. See, so you can see that. See how now we made it smaller, like it right under the click to subscribe, so you can see that. So that's it. That's all I want to do, is just show you how to make this banner. It's not that hard. Just follow the follow the YouTube rules. Follow the platform. Create your banner and start growing your YouTube channel. Start creating your channel, your branding. Just grow with. Just go with it. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. I hope it wasn't too complicated. I'm trying to make it easy as possible to make a banner. A lot of people don't know how to make banners, and this is the easiest way. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll be making some more videos in the future to how to add social media links, how to add the subscribe button, how to do all kinds of stuff. I'm just going to keep building and building your site, and we're going to keep growing. Don't forget, watch the other video I have online here as well about growing your YouTube channel. The first thing you have to do is make videos. Create videos, find your niche, try to figure out what direction you want to go to, and just keep building and building and building, and you'll do awesome. I promise you. Just keep going, and you can't go wrong, because if you do what you love and love what you do, you'll always succeed in life. That's how I feel. That's how I believe. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate that. Helps me grow and helps me do what I do, so I can help you do what you do. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope it wasn't too confusing. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below in the comment box, and I'll get right back to you, and I'll help you out as much as possible. Also, subscribe to the channel. When you do that, you'll get notifications. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when the next tutorial is up regarding building your YouTube channel. If you're not into that, watch the other tutorials. I have tons of stuff on my channel. My channel is designed to help you grow across everything and also help you learn different things about all kinds of stuff. That's my channel. That's my gig. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.